All right, Kenny here, Chapter 6, Data Structures. We're going to cover the random tonal trash first patch. So when we click here, we get the random generates the octave and then the pitch class, and then we end up with our pitch output. This is how to restrict to one octave with middle C as the lowest tone. Once you click that, then you can click here and you'll see the octave does not move. Then when you hit restore default parameters, it begins to move again randomly. This is the subpatcher that does the same thing. It uses an expression object instead to simplify all this. The load mess, when you open it up, actually will load a 5 in here to designate it, but you can change it obviously, and that will change the pitch class. And another thing to note while we're here is when you double click into your collect object with the argument pitches, it should have all the same data entries so basically the index is here. And then you have same thing in here. And then also in here. And that can save you time, obviously, if you want the same data going into different parts of your patch and you don't have to type it in all over again. And then I added these because I saw Jarrell's video and I thought they were cool how he did that. Then if we look at the table trash patch, this one we got to experiment with the tables, which is just another way of dealing with data. So you can see from this graphical representation the same kind of x and y, as a normal graph, but the data entries that we had in the collect pitches object, the same thing, only this is more of a graphical representation. And I believe one of them is restricted to just numbers. I think it's the table. It's just restricted to just numbers. So when we click this button, the toggle, we are able to manipulate the output by just using the graphical representation. Other than that, pretty much same thing.